Productivity best practices. Technology is only as good as the habits around it. Daily routines. Start with a planned top 3 for the day. Batch email at set times rather than constantly. Turn off non-essential notifications. Take real breaks, short walks, beat doom scrolling. Automation opportunities. Email templates and quick steps. Mail merge for repeat letters. Excel formulas instead of manual calculation. Forms. Microsoft Forms. Google Forms instead of email back and forth. Approval flows. Power Automate. Zapier. Knowledge management. One shared. How we do things page per team. Short procedure notes for tasks done more than monthly. A first day in this role handover document always kept current. Try this. Identify 3 repetitive tasks you do each week. Propose 1 automation or template for each, and estimate how much time you would save per month.